Hello, welcome to question number 7 WASSCE 2025 Further Mathematics for Ghanaian Students Objective Test Question. Now, given that x minus 2 is equivalent to p into bracket x minus 4, bracket close, plus q into bracket x plus 3, bracket close, where p and q are all constant, we have to find the values of p and what? Q. So this can be, this is more or less like when we are solving a rational function where we have partial fraction, where we, after multiplying by the denominator, we are left with something like this. Now, there are two ways of doing this. We can expand the left and compare the corresponding terms. So as you expand, you compare the x term together with the x, you compare the constant term together with minus 2. Or we find a way to eliminate one of the variable, in this case p and q. If I can eliminate p, it means that when x is 4, p is eliminated, it becomes 0. Then when x is negative 3 here, q is eliminated. That can also be taken to find the p and q, or expand. But I'm going for the second part, as in x minus 2 equivalent to p x minus 4 q x plus what? 3. So when x is equals to 4, I know I'll be eliminating that. Meaning x is 4. 4 here minus 2, give you 2. 4, 4, 0. So 4 here, making here to become what? 7 what? Q. But what do I need? It is a q I need. So q is going to be 2 divided by 7. Then the second thing is, when x is also equals to negative 3, the opposite of the number here, positive opposite. This is negative, positive, positive, negative. Then it means that negative 3 minus 5 minus 2 give you negative 5. Negative 3 minus 4 will give you negative 7. P. This becomes 0. So your P is now going to be negative 5 on negative 7, which is 5 on what? 7. So P is 5 on 7. Q is 2 on what? 7. Now, when you expand also, you end up getting two simultaneous equations, which you still solve and come back to the same conclusion. Alright, so let's see which option we are going to pick. Positive in all cases, P, Q, positive. So this makes the option B become the best choice in this. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and bye-bye.